When your car moves forward normally, but refuses to go in reverse, the problem is almost always located within the transmission system. Understanding the common causes can help you identify what's wrong. Here's a cutaway view of an automatic transmission showing the complex internal components. The reverse function depends on several key systems working together: hydraulic pressure, valve bodies, clutch packs, and electronic controls. Transmission fluid problems account for 40% of reverse gear failures. Low fluid levels prevent sufficient hydraulic pressure from building up. Contaminated or burnt fluid can cause valves to stick. Using the wrong type of transmission fluid disrupts the entire hydraulic system. Valve body problems cause 25% of reverse gear failures. The most common issue is a stuck reverse valve that cannot move to direct hydraulic pressure to the reverse gear components. Worn valve bores and clogged passages also prevent proper operation. Mechanical wear accounts for 20% of reverse failures. Reverse bands may be improperly adjusted or worn out. Clutch packs lose their friction material over time. Internal gears can suffer tooth damage, and servo mechanisms may fail to apply the necessary pressure. Modern vehicles rely heavily on electronic controls. Shift solenoids can fail, preventing electronic engagement of reverse gear. The transmission control module, shown here under the dashboard, may malfunction. Damaged wiring or software glitches can also cause reverse gear problems. Continuously variable transmissions and hybrid systems have unique reverse gear mechanisms. These modern systems are more prone to software-related issues and require specialized diagnostic approaches when reverse gear problems occur. Understanding these common causes helps narrow down the problem. Transmission fluid issues account for the largest percentage of failures, followed by valve body problems and mechanical wear. Electronic issues are becoming more common in modern vehicles, while severe internal damage is relatively rare. The first step in troubleshooting reverse gear problems is checking your transmission fluid level and condition. This simple check can reveal critical information about your transmission's health. Low fluid levels prevent proper hydraulic pressure needed for reverse gear engagement. But fluid condition is equally important. Burnt or contaminated fluid indicates internal damage. Next, perform an OB2 scan to check for transmission error codes. Modern vehicles store specific codes that can pinpoint electronic issues, solenoid problems, or transmission control module faults. For do-it-yourself repairs, check the shift linkage adjustment. Misaligned linkage can prevent proper gear selection, including reverse. This is one of the few transmission-related repairs most car owners can handle. Most reverse gear problems require professional repair. Internal components like valve bodies, clutch packs, and transmission control modules need specialized tools and expertise to repair properly. Transmission control module reprogramming is another professional service that can resolve software-related reverse gear issues. Modern transmissions rely heavily on electronic control systems. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the root cause. A simple fluid service might cost $150 to $300, while major internal repairs can reach several $1,000s. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular transmission fluid changes every 30 to 50,000 miles, and annual checks for transmission control module updates can prevent most reverse gear problems from occurring.